You know what's going on? They're doing some. We have a joint use agreement on our poles, right? Where they use the poles, we use the poles, and we had to do some work. But before we could do our work, we had to make sure that they had completed their work.
No, you got it all wrong. You got it.
Coming from the power
no,
company.
no. Hang on a second now. Hold on a minute. This is all gone wrong. You do not have permission to come on my property.
We have permission under contract with Alabama Power.
No, you do not.
For your notes,
Okay, you're not Alabama Power.
I am Alabama Power.
No, you're not.
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, listen, sir. Hold on just a minute. Hold on a minute.
We're going to change your meter.
Hold on just a minute. Now, hey, listen, I have a lawsuit against Charter Cable right now.
Okay.
For trespassing me.
Okay.
Okay. Now, why do you want to change my meter?
We're changing the meter because I said, now, will you let me finish my statement?
Yeah. Because you're going to be in court.
I don't care. Let me finish my statement this time, okay? We are changing your meter. We had a contractor come out here that worked for the power company. Y'all had a disagreement.
He was not in an Alabama Power truck.
He was a contractor.
He was not in an Alabama Power truck.
Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He is a contractor.
Yep, I'm just saying this is going to be in court.
That's fine.
Okay.
He is a contractor. He is contracted to work for us. We don't provide him the vehicle. His company provides him the vehicle.
Okay, listen, I called Alabama Power.
You said you let me finish.
Okay, go ahead.
He came out here to verify that Charter had done the work that they were supposed to do. That's the only reason they came out here. When he came out here, y'all had some sort of
That's not what he said. That's not what he told me.
Anyway, I'm swapping our meter so that we don't have to come back on right around your house. If we have to come back by to work on the poles,
So, do you work for Alabama Power?
I work for Alabama Power.
You're not a subcontractor.
I work for Alabama Power.
You're a subcontractor.
No, I work for Alabama.
You're Alabama Power man.
That is correct.
Okay, and you're swapping my meter so you don't have to come back on my property.
That is correct.
Hey, I understand, but do you understand where I'm coming from?
I hear where you're coming from. All we're doing is swapping the meter.
Okay,
and we're on our
okay.
way.
Now let me tell you what he told me, so you'll understand, because you got a one-sided story. I said, "What are you doing on my property?" He said, "I'm out here inspecting this pole." Okay, because Charter Cable is going to be doing some work on this pole.
Right. We have a joint use agreement with them.
They are not going to be using my pole.
Well, it's our pole.
No, it's my pole.
Well,
listen to me. This is what you don't understand. This is private property. I do not have an easement. I do not have any right of ways.
Well,
I'm a real estate person.
If you have a
knowledgeable in the listen to me. Now you go listen to me, buddy. I'm knowledgeable in the laws. Well, okay, this is private property.
Change the meter.
Hey, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Everybody that's involved right now is going to be in court.
Go ahead and swap the meter.
You're going to be in court. What's your name? What's your name? You're going to be in court because I got a lawsuit against this is private property, and I have said do not enter my property. If this guy right here is not an Alabama Power man, he's bleeding you into a lawsuit. Okay, Alabama Power has the right to come on my property. Nobody else does. I got a $100,000 lawsuit, been in court 2 years, already had the deposition. Okay, attorney's been out, cops been out 2 or 3 times. Okay, Charter's fucking with Alabama Power, and they gonna lead y'all into some shit about this being a joint thing. It's not. It's my pole. It's private. I had these poles put in privately. That's what y'all don't understand. You don't understand easements. You don't understand right of ways. Okay, I do.
Can we swap your meter?
No, you cannot. If you do this, you're breaking the law, and I will call 911 and have you arrested.
Go do it. All right, let's go.
Hey, no. Do not enter my property. You are not going to enter my property.
We've got to access the meter.
Hey, if you're not Alabama Power,
I am Alabama Power. What's this? This is Alabama Power. So that is what I am. I'm an investigator for Alabama Power. We've got to change your meter. That is what I'm here to do for the safety of my people.
That's all you're doing. That's all you're going. That's all you're doing.
You see that meter sitting on the top of the truck? It's upside down. You see the 4 little metal prongs behind that glove?
Okay,
that's a meter.
Hey, but listen to me. But listen to me. You're getting legal with me, and what you're saying is. What you're saying is you're doing some shit where Charter can do some work on my pole, and that's my private pole. That's my pole.
Then that's your issue with Charter. We just are changing.
But
our
I know,
meter.
but I'm saying what you said.
You worked that out.
No, you said you got a joint agreement with them, and that's why you're coming over here, blah, blah, blah. Hey, listen, listen, this is a private pole.
Mike, let's go ahead and swap the meter, and we'll be out of your hair.
Hey, this is hey, there's nothing to do with, I'm calling my attorney soon as, hey, I'm calling my attorney. All this is getting sent to my attorney, so if y'all breaking the law, you will be in court, and I will sue you. Because everything I'm saying is going to my attorney. Yesterday, when the man made the call, he was, okay, he's in an unidentified vehicle. It don't say Alabama Power on it. And he pulled on my property, see? And I done been to court 5-6 times. You see what I'm saying? I mean, not court, dealt with the police. And it's going to court. And it's private property, and this cat's on my land. His truck don't say Alabama Power, and I called Alabama Power, and they said if it don't say Alabama Power, it ain't us.
So we can get off his property.
Hey, Alabama Power told me, they said if it don't say Alabama Power, it ain't us. So if all this ain't legit, it's in court. If you ain't got a reason to be on my property, hey, you better have a goddamn good, legit reason to be changing my meter. If you're doing it for some shit with charter, you're sued. I swear to God, you're sued. If you're doing this because this peckerhead right here is fucking getting some charter shit going, he will drag your ass in a lawsuit. Swear to God, right now. You're violating my rights. I own this land for 20 years. That sign says private property. Your shit don't say Alabama Power, motherfucker. Your truck don't say it. This man, I believe, is Alabama Power. I think you suck, and I will sue you in the dirt if you trespass me or violate my goddamn rights, which that's what you're doing, and you're goddamn armed.
Will you let
See
him
that pistol?
Will you let him change your
No.
meter since he says Alabama Power?
They ain't give me no reason. You're out here fucking with me. Some goddamn little fucking peckerhead wearing a goddamn gun with no identification. And you said, hey,
my name is Sam
hey,
Crosby,
you're bringing, hey,
Power.
hey, listen. But you said you brought in the charter shit. You brought in this charter shit. You brought in the joint with charter shit. Fuck charter. I got a lawsuit against them. Now you want to get in it, motherfucker. That's what you want to do.
All right.
God damn you if you come on my property. You're sued, motherfucker. I got you right here.
Okay.
Hey, and my fucking neighbors, they video the shit too, because it's happened a lot of goddamn times, okay? This ain't the first goddamn video I've made of it. Private property. Hey, I met with the engineer for Alabama Power. A woman wouldn't let y'all hit power because it was on private property, so I could get power to 2 trailers up there, right? So y'all come out here and cut down a bunch of trees. All right, and I met with your engineer. She was real ugly to y'all. I met with the engineer. I read the fine print. The moment them poles goes in my private property, they're mine. No easement, no right of way. But y'all have the right to work on them wires, and those are y'all's wires.
And
but this cocksucker, he ain't, if he's with charter, he's leading you into some shit. Because there ain't no way, there ain't no reason to be changing my meter. There ain't no reason to change my meter, and you're talking about charter cable, see? You're talking about charter cable, man. And you're putting them in this little visitation here. And you're coming to my goddamn house with a gun in an unmarked vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I work for Alabama Power.
Yeah, but you're bringing up charter. You're saying you're joint with charter. You're saying you're joint with charter.
Will you let me talk?
Hey, you get the fuck off my property.
All right, we'll come back with an injunction, and then we'll swap.
Hey,
the meter.
the
Public Service Commission.
Listen to this.
And we can request the Public Service
I tell you what. Listen to me.
Not to serve you.
Listen to me.
Because you clearly are a threat. To
no, I'm not. I am not. Hey, you hold on, you peckerhead. Y'all are witness to this.